Sound waves are longitudinal waves. Sound is a form of energy that our ears can hear. This energy travels in waves. A wave is a disturbance in a medium, like air or water, that carries energy from one spot to another. There are two main types of waves: transverse waves and longitudinal waves. Sound waves are longitudinal waves. Longitudinal waves are special. In these waves, the particles of the medium, like air, move back and forth in the same direction that the wave is traveling. Think of it like a slinky being pushed and pulled. This movement creates areas of compression and rarefaction. A compression is an area where the particles of the medium are squeezed tightly together. In these spots, the pressure is high. A rarefaction is the opposite. It's an area where the particles are spread far apart and the pressure is low. So how is sound made? It all starts with a vibration. When something vibrates, like a guitar string being plucked or your own vocal cords, it disturbs the medium around it, which is usually the air. As the vibrating object, like the guitar string, moves forward, it pushes on the air particles in front of it. This squishes them together, creating a high-pressure area. This is a compression. Then, when the vibrating object moves backward, it leaves a space behind it. The air particles spread out to fill this space, creating a low-pressure area. This is a rarefaction. This push and pull process happens over and over again very quickly. Each vibration sends out a new set of compressions and rarefactions. This repeating pattern of high and low pressure is the sound wave that travels through the air. It's important to know that the air particles themselves don't travel all the way from the source to your ear. They just wiggle back and forth in their own little spot, passing the energy along to their neighbors. Because the particles wiggle in the same direction the wave is moving, we call sound a longitudinal wave. Sound waves have a few key properties. Wavelength is the distance from one compression to the next. Frequency is how many compressions pass by a certain point each second. Amplitude relates to the pressure change and determines how loud the sound is. In short, sound waves are longitudinal waves because the particles in the medium vibrate parallel to the direction the wave's energy is traveling. They move as a series of compressions and rarefactions and always need a medium to travel through.